Hey guys, so in this video you're going to just have a quick refresher on how to solve equations with fractions. The first way is when there's only one fraction in the equation. I'm going to show you two options to do it. You are more than welcome to use one or the other, switch it around, it's up to you. So our first example says 4 equals 4/3 times x minus 6. So in option 1, I'm going to get rid of the fraction right away. So let me rewrite the equation. To get rid of the fraction right away, I am just going to multiply by its reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply here by 3/4. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to multiply that side by 3/4 also. It cancels out the 4/3 on the right, leaving x minus 6, which now I can take out of parentheses because that's all that's left. I put this over 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. 12 over 4. And you already probably knew 12 over 4 is 3, so I'm just going to rewrite it as 3. And then inverse operations, I add 6. 9 equals x. That's option 1. It's a little quicker, but that's your first option. Your second option is to multiply the fraction into the parentheses. So I multiply x by 4/3 and multiply negative 6 by 4/3. So it'll say 4 equals, and that's just going to be 4/3 x minus, I'm going to put that over 1. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. 3 times 1 is 3. I can't simplify 4/3. But I can simplify 24 over 3, and that gets me 8. And then from there, I just keep solving. I add 8 to both sides. And then here, I need to multiply by its reciprocal, so I'm going to multiply by 3/4 on both sides. Cancels the 3's, cancel the 4, leaving x. Put that over 1. 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 1 is 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And so either way you do the problem, you'll get x equals 9. Let's try one more using both methods. First method is to get rid of the fraction right away. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. It cancels it here, leaving 9x plus 10 equals 12, because 2 times 6 is 12, 1 times 1 is 1. And then I just finish, I subtract 10 on both sides, leaving 2 equals 9x, divide by 9, x equals 2/9. You can't simplify that any further, so we're just going to leave that there. The other way to do it, distribute the fraction into both part of the parentheses. 9 over 2x. And then 1/2 times 10, 10 over 2. Simplify what you can. 10 over 2 is 5. And then we just solve from there. I subtract 5. Multiply by the reciprocal, which is 2/9 on both sides. And then 2/9 times 1 is just 2/9. So either way you do it, you'll get the same answer. Hope that gave you a little refresher on fractions.